how you can get started on a right track as a real estate investor. First thing I want to mention is you want to keep in mind that this is not a sprint. This is a marathon. So the only person you're racing against is yourself. So don't look at what everybody else was able to accomplish in their business, because you don't know what they went through in order to get to where they are today. I really want you to have the right mindset coming into this business. This is not about getting rich in 6 months. It might happen for some of you, but for majority of you, it's not gonna happen that way. What this is about is building something that's gonna last a long time. You're looking for longevity, not short-term gains. I wanna share with you 4 tips today that I believe if you follow these tips, you'll be on the right path to getting started in the real estate business. So tip number 1 is to first educate yourself on the process of what it is that you're looking to accomplish in real estate. The very first thing I recommend you do is get educated on how this whole thing works. And that's exactly why you're watching this video today. That's why you're on YouTube. You watch YouTubeversity, right? The next thing you want to consider doing after you go through all of the free information is get up a few dollars and invest in a course, okay? The reason why you want to invest in a course is because at the end of the day, a course is going to provide you with more condensed information. You'll find everything that you need in one place. You just got to find and learn from the right person. So that's tip number 2, invest into some type of home study program, whether it be mine or not. I don't care. I just want you to invest because number 1, you're going to have some skin in the game from your investment. And number 2, you're going to want to go through that information. As long as you don't allow that information to become shelf help, you want it to be self-help. You want it to help your situation. Tip number 3, take action. I just mentioned it a second ago, right? So you gain all of this information off of YouTube and home study courses. None of that means anything if you don't do something with the information. Again, we just talked about self-help instead of shelf help. You have to do, because if you're not applying what you learn, then the information is useless. You just invested your time on YouTube for nothing. You just invested a little bit of money into a home study course for nothing. So to me, the best educator is actually making mistakes, getting out there and doing it, not being afraid to hit roadblocks and figure out how to overcome those roadblocks. That's how you become a better investor. You think with a creative mind. A creative thinker will find solutions to a problem. And if you can find solutions to a problem, you're ultimately going to be a better investor, because at the end of the day, you're a marketer first. So you got to figure out how to market. Then you have to solve problems. That's what a true real estate investor is, in my opinion, a problem solver, because what you're looking to do is help people. You're looking to help yourself. You're looking to help everyone in your circle, and you're looking to help property owners. If you can solve problems, you'll make the most money. And then you're a real estate investor when you materialize the check that comes with all of the hard work that you put in. Now, tip number 4 is really simple. A lot of people are like, do I need a coach? Do I need to invest in mentoring? I truly believe that there's enough information out here on YouTube that you can get started in the business. Then I believe that you should invest a little bit into yourself. But then as you're taking action, you're going to hit roadblocks and you're not going to know which way to go. At that point, it's time to start looking into mentoring and masterminding, okay? I believe that if you try to come into the business and you haven't done anything, you're not giving your mentor something to work with, okay? I believe that you need to make some mistakes, but I believe that this is really, it's gonna allow you to take your business and skyrocket your results when you have somebody who's experienced showing you the way, as long as you have the right person. So do these things first. I'm telling you, go in that order. Start with your education, free education, all the way up to mentoring. And that's what's gonna take you from where you are right now to where you wanna go in real estate. Like this video, if you like videos like this, click the notification bell so that you can be notified when these videos drop, and share this video with all your friends. I hope you enjoyed it. and I'll talk to you on the next one.